Good morning, students. Myself, Avinash Gavanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi, Killa, welcomes you all in today's online lesson. So today we will learn mathematics subject. In that we learn decimal fractions. Okay, now let's students. We already learn about fractions, but first this is the topic of our lesson: decimal fractions. Okay, now see some, I will show you some fractions. Can anyone read this? The first one. Hello, students.
1/10.
Okay,
1/10.
very good. So 1/10. See the diagram. How many total boxes are there? First diagram.
10.
10. And how many colored?
1.
Only. Oh, and the decimal form of that fraction is, what is this? Is read this. This is decimal form of 0.1. Okay, good. Okay, and now second one is this.
7
Read the fraction.
upon 10.
7/10. Very good. Now see. Now again there are 10 parts. And how many colored?
7.
So 7 out of 10. Means here the decimal form of that fraction is 0.7.
7.
Very good. Now the next one,
18/100.
18/100. So now see the, how many whole parts are there?
18.
The colored parts are 18 and total parts are 100. 100 out, 18 out of 100 hai na?
Yes.
And the decimal form of that fraction is
0.18.
0.18. Now we'll read the last fraction.
57/1000.
57/1000. So what is the decimal form of that fraction?
0.57.
0. No, we will read like this: 0.057. After decimal point, we read single numbers, not a combine.
Yes.
Read 0.057.
7.
Okay, now next one is
124/1000.
124/1000. And the decimal form is
0.124.
0.124. That's right. Very good. Now, see, denominators are, which are denominator in these fractions? You know now which one are numerator and which one are denominator? Tell me the first one.
Numerator is 50. First one, 1.
Numerator is 1 and denominator
Denominator
is,
10.
and in second one
7.
7/10. So here is 7 is
Numerator.
and 10 is
Denominator.
very good. And the third one?
Third one, 18 numerator, 100 denominator.
Okay, very good. And the fourth one, this
57 numerator, 1000 denominator.
very good. So here and the last one,
124 numerator
huh?
and 1000 is denominator.
1000 is denominator. Very good. So here the denominator is what? 10 or in multiples of 10. So we learn in the last chapter a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any 10 times multiple of 10 is called a decimal fraction. Means these all are decimal fraction. What is common in decimal fraction? The denominator is what? Tell me the students. The denominator is 10, 100, 1000 or any other 10 time multiple of 10. Okay. Okay. Now see the definition of decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times multiple of 10 is called a decimal fraction. For example, 5 upon 10, 68 upon 100. See, 5 upon 10. Here denominator is, what is denominator?
10.
10. And 68 upon 100, the denominator is?
100.
Okay, good. And this one, third one is
100.
100. So all decimals are in 10 form or in multiples of 10. So these all are decimal fractions. So these fractions are written in numerator and denominator form. So all of you know the numerator and denominator. So keep in mind that the always a decimal fraction always have denominator 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times multiple of 10. Okay. Now convert these fractions into decimal form. So students, can you convert this?
Yes.
Okay, see the first one. Who will read this?
53 upon 100.
Okay, now what is the decimal form of it?
0.553.
0.53. Very good. The next one is
55 upon 100.
55 upon 100. Okay, now tell me the decimal form of it.
0.55.
0.55 or 55?
55.
55. Good. Now see the sixth one. What is it?
2 upon 100.
2 upon
100.
100. So what is the decimal form of it?
0.2.
0.2. No, wrong. 0.02.
2.
Oh, Now see this first. See the number 1. 5 upon
100.
100. And the decimal form is 0.05. Okay, good. And the second one is, who will read it?
24 upon 100.
100.
This one.
7 upon 10.
And decimal form of it is
0.7.
0.7.
7.
Okay, 0.7. Good. And fourth one is
24 upon 100.
very good. And its decimal form is
0.24.
0.24 or 0.24.
24.
24. So always read it clearly. And fifth one is
92 upon 100.
92 upon 100. Okay. And its decimal form is
0.92.
0.92. Good. Now see the seventh one. 66 upon 100.
100.
And its decimal form is
0.66.
0.66. Very good. Now eighth one is
2 upon 10.
2 upon 10. And its decimal form is
0.2.
0.2. Okay. Very good. So all answers are correct. So in last lesson, we learn about addition of decimal fraction. So we revise addition in today's lesson also. So we follow some rules while doing addition of decimals. First rule is line up the decimal point and add the columns from right to left. While we doing addition, we always add from right to left. And second one is place a decimal point in the answer directly below the other decimal point. So always keep in mind decimal point always below the other decimal points. So this one is example of addition of decimal fraction. Students, have you solved this? So first of all, we will arrange this addition in vertically. So to add decimal numbers, we line up the decimal points, they set its position, then add as usual. Means first of all, we will add this in vertically. $45 0.83 plus 167 0.49 0. So we will add from right to left. So 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 0 is 3. And 8 plus 4 is 8 plus 12. So we will write here 2 and
12.
carry 1 here.
Yes.
So 5 plus 7 is
8, 9, 10, 11, 13.
okay. 5 plus 7 is 12 and plus 1 is
13.
13. Very good. So we will write here 3 and carry over 1 here. So 4 plus 6 is
10.
4 plus 6 is 10 and plus 1
11.
Okay, very good. And so carry over 1 here. So 1 plus 1
2.
2. Okay, very good. So final answer is, who will read it?
213.23.
Okay, very good.
बरं.
So see here, 0 is 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. So we will write here 2 and carry over 1 here. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So we will write here 3 and carry over 1 here. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And we will write here 1 and carry over 1 here. 1 plus 1,
2.
2. So final answer is
213.23.
23 or 23?
23.
23. Very good. Okay. Now we will come to the today's topic, subtraction of decimal fraction. All of you know about subtraction?
Yes.
Okay. Now see some rules. While doing subtraction in decimals, line up the decimal points. Means we always line up the decimal points. Subtract the column from right to left. We always do subtraction from right to left. Place a decimal point directly below the other decimal points. We always place a decimal point directly below the other decimal point. Now we will see examples of subtracting decimals. First one is 15.41 minus 8.58. 15.41 minus 8.58. So we will put 0 in blank columns. So now do the subtraction from right to left. 0 minus 0.
0.
0. Very good. So can we subtract 8 from 1?
Yes.
How?
8 from 1.
No, na.
So we will borrow.
We will borrow from
We will from 4. 4 will be 3 and 1 will be 11.
very good. So 11 minus 8.
3.
11 minus 8, 3. Very good. And now 3 minus 4. We will borrow from.
We will borrow from 5 and
Yes,
then 3 will be 13 and 5
3
will
will
be 4.
be 13. So 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5.
8.
8. Very good. Now here 4 minus 8.
Sir, we cannot
We will borrow.
subtraction. We will borrow.
Yes, yes.
Then 4 will be 14 and 1 will be 0.
1 will be 0. Good. So 14 minus 8.
6.
14 minus 8. 6.
6.
So our final answer is
6.830.
6.830. Okay. 6.830.
830.
So where if last digit is 0, don't write it. So our answer is 6.8 6.83. Okay, now see this. This is our sum. We will continue it. 1 minus 8. Hello. We cannot subtract it from 1. So we borrow 1 from 4. So 11 minus 8 is
11
3.
3.
Okay, and 4 becomes 3. 13 minus 5 is 13 minus 5 is
13 minus 5.
8. Okay, good. Then 4 minus 8, we cannot subtract 8 from 4. So we will borrow 1 from 1. So 1 became
0.
0. So 13 minus 8 is
6.
6. Okay, the final answer is 6.83.
6.3.
6.83.
Okay, very good. Now subtract this.
1.5 minus 1.06.
1.06. So first of all, what can we do? We will arrange it in vertically. So 1.5 minus 1.06. So here is the blank point. So we will put here 0. Now 0 minus 6.
No, borrow it.
We
Borrow
will
it.
borrow from 5. So 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 6.
4.
4.
10 minus 6 is 4. Good. And 4 minus 0.
4.
4.
4 minus 0 is 4.
4.
1 minus 1.
0.
0. So our answer is
0.44.
0.44. So now I think you will understand how to subtract decimal fractions.
Yes.
Okay, now see one word problem. Who will read it?
I can read.
Yes.
Can I?
Vrinda was 1.48 meter tall. After a year, her height become 1.53 meter. How many centimeters did her height increase in year?
Okay, so what can we do? What can we find in this sum?
Subtraction.
Subtraction.
So Vrinda was 1.48 meter tall. After year, her height become 1.53 meter. Now, how many centimeters did her height increase in a year? Means, see, Vrinda's height was 1 year ago. Vrinda's height was
1.48 meter tall.
1.48
4 8 meter tall.
1 year ago. 1.48 meter, and today's height is after a year her height became
1.53.
1.53 meter, but they want increased height in centimeter. See here, how many centimeters did her height increases in year? Means the height given in meter and they want increase height in centimeters. So students, can you tell me the relation between meters and centimeters?
1 meter is equals to 100 meter.
1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters.
1 meter is equal to
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter. Okay, very good. Means it is a decimal form, na?
Yes.
So to find the increased height, what will we do?
Find it.
We will do
Subtract.
subtraction. So after year height is 1.53 minus 1.48. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 8,
3 minus 8. 8 borrow.
we will borrow from 5. So 13 minus 8,
13 minus 8. 5. 5.
5. 5. Here 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 4,
0.
0.
0. Okay, point. 1 minus 1,
0.
0. So here the increased height is 0.05 meter. The increased height is 0.05 meter. So how we will convert it in centimeter? 0.05 meter means 0.05 meter means convert it into
0
decimal.
meter 5 centimeter.
0 meter 5 centimeter or 5 centimeter. See here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. That is 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So 0.0 centimeter means
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter means 5 upon
100.
meter means 5 centimeter. Our answer is the increased height will be 5 centimeter. Now I think you will very well understand how to subtract. This one for you. The first, who will read the first one?
Teacher, can I read?
Yeah, yes.
6.93 minus 5.33.
93 or 93?
93.
93 and 33 or 33?
33.
3, 3, 3. So we will write in vertically. 6.93 minus 5.33. So now subtract it. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Yes, 0. Now 9 minus 3.
6.
6. Good. Now 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5.
1.
6 minus 5 is 1.
1.
So what is the answer?
1.0. 0, 0.
1.00 or 60?
1.60. Sir, it is not 6. It is not like 6. It is like 0.
I will write again, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now clear?
It's right.
Yes. Now this one is first. Now solve the second one. Who will read it?
96.2.
Yes.
96.2.
96.2 minus
2.
minus
31.1. 31.1.
31.1.
1.
Okay. 2 minus 1 is
1.
2 minus 1 is 1.
1.
6 minus 1 is
5.
6 minus 5. Okay. 9 minus 3 is
6.
6. Okay. So we will see here the blank columns. We will put zeros here. But while writing outside the box, we will write only 65.1 only. Okay. 65.1. Now, who will read the third one?
864. 0.864.
0.864.
864.
0.864. Okay, but we cannot adjust it in this box. So we will replace decimal points. We will write decimal points. Okay. Okay. We will adjust it. 0.864 minus, read it, 0.742.
742.
Okay. 4 minus 2 is
2.
2. 6 minus 4 is
2.
8 minus 7 is 8 minus 7 is 1.
1.
0 minus 0,
0.
0. So our answer is 0.122.
0.122.
Okay. Now read the fourth one.
I read
Yes.
9.62 minus 8.12.
9.62 minus 8.12.
12.
So in thousand place we will put 0. 0 minus 0,
0.
2 minus 2,
0.
6 minus 1,
5.
5. 9 minus 8,
1.
1. The answer is 1 point. Read the answer.
1.50.
1.50, but we will write it only 0.5. Now read the fifth one. Read the fifth one.
I read
Yes.
468
0.468. Yes.
minus
Minus
0.327.
0.327. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 7.
1.
8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 2,
4.
4. 4 minus 3,
1.
1. 0 minus 0,
0.
0. So read the answer.
0.141.
0.141.
141.
Now the last one is read the last one, 6th one.
0.783
Yes.
minus 0.472.
Minus 0.472.
2.
Good. 3 minus 2 is
1.
1. Very good. 8 minus 7 is
1.
1. And 7 minus 4 is
3.
3. 0 minus 0 is
0.
0. The final answer is 0.
311.
0.311. Okay. So all of you get how to subtract the decimals?
Point. A decimal fraction.
Okay.
Subtraction.
Yes, yes. Now your homework is problem set 42 on page number 58. Okay, thank you.